Hello everyone. So I'm going to come up with a small story of one of my friends, and one fine day he happened to call me and he said, Samir, I need some other source of income. I said, it's fine. Let me see what I can do for you. And we sat together, and we thought we could plan something for him that he can save some money from his existing expenses. Ultimately, I found out that everything that he was spending was necessary expenses. His home loan, his tuition fees for kids, etc. And his wife is a housewife. So eventually I said, let me work out something for you. So I gave it a thought the entire night. And eventually we came up with a fantastic solution. Then now over next 2 to 3 months, this person has started earning almost 50,000 rupees extra a month. How amazing. So if you'd like to know more about it, how we made it, please watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, this is Samir Joshi. I am the founder of Blooming Rich, and I'm going to add value to your financial well-being. So let me tell you how we managed to get a very good option for my friend, and how he managed to earn almost 50,000 rupees a month extra apart from his salary. So I told him to just be a referral partner with us. So he said that he doesn't have any financial knowledge, and he doesn't know what to do with it. I said, you don't need to have any financial knowledge for that. All you need to have some clients, which can be your friends or family members or your office colleagues, that you can refer to us, and we can start managing their finances. And with that process, whatever we earn or whatever we profits that we make, we can share it with you, certain percentage. And he really liked the concept because he didn't really need to do anything. And all I told him that all you need to do is refer your known people, trustworthy people to us, and he started doing that. And right from managing their portfolios, recommending them investments, doing their paperwork, doing research, follow-ups, everything was done by our team. He didn't need to do anything for that. Now, he really liked that concept because he really did not need to engage himself completely into that. Yet he was getting a very good income out of it. Now, that is something which is currently not available with many firms. And this is the opportunity which we are creating right now for every individual, everybody who wants to work. Now, I'll give you an example. Say, for example, today if you onboard a client with us with a health insurance policy, it requires immense service. Trust me, it does. Because every year we'll need to follow with renewals. If there is any claim, then we have to help clients with respect to their claims, whether it's a cashless or it can be reimbursement. And when you recommend or when you do some business, you need to take care of everything. Here we are taking care of everything for my friends, recommended clients. This is health insurance is just an example. Now there's so many things that we can do. So I'll tell you what we do. We do financial planning, wherein we do comprehensive budgeting for our clients. We do mutual funds. We are national distributors for mutual funds. We've got our mutual fund software wherein all our clients can view their mutual fund portfolios. We not only help clients buying mutual funds, but we also help them with the exclusive research that we have, the in-house research. We do a regular review with them. We do all the paperwork for them. In case if anybody needs to change anything on their existing funds, we help them doing that. If we have to do paperwork, we go doorstep and we get it done for them. So this is an additional service our existing referral partners are getting right now for their clients. So we do everything in finance. I mean, you talk about the product and we have it on board with us. So that means you have open architecture of the wide range of product proposition for your existing clients that you refer to us. Now this gives you a benefit wherein you will not lose any opportunity from your referred clients with respect to getting something or the other from them in terms of your profits. On top of that, what we do is that when there is any cross-selling happens to your existing client, we also share the benefits with you, the same amount of benefits. Isn't that great? So I'll tell you the products that we do. We do mutual funds. We are national distributors of that. We do health insurance. We do general insurance, life insurance. We are into portfolio management services. We can offer you AIFs, which is called alternative investment funds. We can recommend you gold bonds, RBI bonds. We have a lot of company deposits which are completely AAA rated that we believe in. We have unlisted shares of pre-IPO. We can help you with land. We can help you with real estate. We can help you with financial planning, tax planning, retirement planning. So you name the financial product and that's available with us. It's a huge platter, isn't it? So that's the reason why by just referring the clients, my friend has started earning almost 50,000 rupees a month. Every month he's getting it. So how do you like the idea? I'm sure you all will like the concept. So if you really are interested to becoming our referral partner, we call them channel partner, please feel free to contact us. Our number is 8010778778. You may also write it to us at support@bloomingrich.in. Trust me, you do not require any official qualification for just referring your clients to us. You don't need to know the finance as well. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Please share this to your friends and family members if they really need to have additional source of income for them. And if you are interested to becoming our referral partner, please fill the form. The link is available in description. Thank you very much. This is Samir Joshi. Goodbye.